I tried Earn House reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They think earning money online is always a scam or too complicated. I tested Earn House for a week to see if it really helps users earn income legitimately. On day 1, I signed up and explored task options. The app offers surveys, microtasks, and referral bonuses. Most people skip instructions, but following them carefully is key to actually earning. By day 3, I completed a few tasks. You won't believe what happens next. The earnings posted quickly, and the interface clearly showed my balance and pending rewards. The surprising truth is that some online earning platforms do work when approached carefully. By day 5, I tried the referral program. Most people get this wrong by spamming links, but this app tracks legitimate referrals efficiently and rewards users fairly. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Earn House Reviews app is a legitimate way to earn small, but consistent income. Most people dismiss these apps as scams, but this one proves that structured microtasks and referrals can genuinely pay off. If you're looking to supplement your income in small steps, this app is worth checking out. The shocking truth: earning online doesn't have to be risky with the right platform. It can be real, reliable, and surprisingly simple.